Hi. Let's try connecting the sounds of the letters today. First, let's review. E,
E,
D,
D, D,
R,
R,
O,
O, O,
L,
L,
M,
M,
S,
S,
A,
A,
T,
T, T,
I,
E,
P, N,
N.
Let's read sentences. Me and plan a trip. Plan a trip. Plan a trip. A pet is lost. A pet is lost. A pet is lost. Last, drop it. Last, drop it. Last, drop it. Dad ran 10 laps. Dad ran 10 laps. Dad ran 10 laps. 10 sons lit lamps. 10 sons lit lamps. 10 sons lit lamps. Mom is seldom mad. Mom is seldom mad. Mom is seldom mad. Sam lends me a map. Sam lends me a map. Sam lends me a map. Pat sells pots and pans. Pat sells pots and pans. Pat sells pots and pans. A rat stands in a dim den. A rat stands in a dim den. A rat stands in a dim den. Is it a planet? Is it a planet? Is it a planet? Did Dan respond? Did Dan respond? Did Dan respond? He, she, I. He slept a lot. He slept a lot. He slept a lot. He ran on a mat. He ran on a mat. He ran on a mat. She is in a tent. She is in a tent. She is in a tent. She is on top. She is on top. She is on top. I sent a plan. I sent a plan. I sent a plan. I led a ram. I led a ram. I led a ram. Now, it's time to read a story. Pat and the Rat. And the two. Pat sat on a red mat. A rat ran past. Pat slid a pot to let the rat in. The rat ran. Pat ran. The rat is Sam's pet. Good job. Bye.